Hello students, today we are going to do the poem Life. This poem comes in our 9th standard SSC English medium textbook. Let us begin with the poem. The poetess of this poem is Charlotte Bronte. Can you see here I have marked Charlotte Bronte. Charlotte Bronte. That's the way you pronounce it. The poem Life is written by the poetess. You can figure out from the name if the person is a male or a female, poet or a poetess. So let's go to the first paragraph. The first paragraph, this one. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Can you see the word oft over here? The word oft over here means often. Often is a old English method to write often. So the first paragraph says that sometimes a little happiness can make you feel that the whole day will be pleasant. The word pleasant means enjoyable, pleasurable. Oft means often, many times. Coming to the second paragraph. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall? So the poetess is saying sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Now he is comparing the sky and the rain and the clouds to your life. Clouds of gloom. Gloom means sad. Many times you have happy days, many times you have sad days. कभी अच्छे दिन, कभी बुरे दिन, कभी खुशी, कभी गम. But these transient all. Transient means they last for a short time. If the shower will make the roses bloom. So he is comparing your life to the rains and the roses. So when it rains, the roses bloom. In the rainy season, flowers bloom, there is greenery, there is water. So same way in your life, same way there will be sad moments, but they will be short-lived. They will be short time. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall. Lament means to feel sad, to mourn, to grieve about it. क्यों दुख मनाना है जब अच्छे दिन आएंगे. Let's go to the third paragraph now. Now I'm saying the third paragraph. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. So the word here rapidly, merrily, these are examples of adverbs. They end with ly. Words ending with ly are adverbs. Rapidly means jaldi jaldi. Merrily, खुशी से. Life sunny hours flit by. So sunny hours means he is comparing again. Sunny hours doesn't mean धूप वाले दिन. You see, sad moments or tragic moments will fly by. Flit by means fly by. Can you see the word flit by? Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. खुशी से, अच्छे से. Be thankful, gratefully, gratitude. Nowadays people don't have gratitude for what they have in life. लोगों को नहीं समझ आता उनके पास जीवन में क्या क्या है, उन्होंने क्या खोया, क्या पाया, उनको नहीं पता है. चीयरली, खुशी से. ग्रैटिट्यूड, थैंकफुल रहो, भगवान को धन्यवाद कहो. एन्जॉय योर डेज, वेदर इट बी हैप्पी डेज और ट्रैजिक डेज, एज दे फ्लाई. What though death at times step in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? What though death at times steps in? Very, very, very important point, very heavy, very deep. This point is, this means that when death will come, what will happen? and calls our best away, and your beloved, your parents, your near and dear friends, your best moments will just be taken away. And what if at that moment you're feeling sad? You've just wasted your time being sad. Sorrow seems to win. That means you give a chance for sorrow to win. Over hope, a heavy sway. Sway means influential, controlling, influential over here. Hope, a heavy sway, whereas hope is a heavy influence, because it is explained in the next paragraph. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Yet hope again elastic springs. Hope is like the elastic that brings you back to life. Suppose you are in a situation where you don't know what to do and you have not been able to pass in your exam, और बहुत सैड दिन चल रहा है, बट कोई आके तुमको बोल दे अरे डोंट वरी, हो जाएगा, ऐसा ऐसा सोल्यूशन है, ऐसा कर सकते हैं, तो यू फील होपफुल, एक आशा की किरण जाग जाती है. तो वो बोलते हैं होप अगेन इलास्टिक स्प्रिंग्स, तो वो तुम फिर से खिल जाते हो. अनकॉन्कर्ड दो शी फेल. अनकॉन्कर्ड मीन्स हाथ में नहीं आए वैसे. स्टिल बॉयंट आर हर गोल्डन विंग्स. तो लाइफ में कैसे भी मोमेंट्स हो, ट्रैजिक हो, बट होप की वजह से हम दुख से कॉन्कर नहीं हो जाते, दुख की पकड़ में नहीं आ जाते. स्टिल बॉयंट आर हर गोल्डन विंग्स. कैन यू सी द वर्ड बॉयंट? BUOYANT. बॉयंट मीन्स अपवर्ड्स. फिर भी अपने आशा की किरण जगाए रखिए. स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्ग टू बेयर अस वेल. अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाए रखिए. कीप योर सेल्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग. डोंट लूज होप. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair. Manfully means be a man, face it, be strong. Fearlessly means डरिए मत. Fearful means डरना. Fearless means opposite of fearful. Fearless, बिना डरे. The day of trial bear, जिस दिन, वो कहते हैं ना कि जिस दिन हमारा फाइनल डे होगा उस दिन. ग्लोरियसली, विक्टोरियसली. ग्लोरियसली मीन्स थाट से, विक्टोरियसली मीन्स राज से, एकदम विक्ट्री, विन पोजिशन पे. कैन करेज कैल डिस्पेयर. करेज मीन्स होप, हिम्मत. कैल मीन्स एंड्स मीन्स फिनिश होना. डिस्पेयर मीन्स सैडनेस, दुख जो है. तो मैनफुली, फियरलेसली, द डे ऑफ ट्रायल बेयर. For gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair. So the whole poem basically talks about is how we should make the most of our life. It talks about the cycle of life. It talks about the cycle of our life. It talks about the beginning of life, the end of life, the positivity. I'm trying to write positivity here. The positivity, the negativity. But it also suggests us towards the end कि hope makes the most out of life. You should keep hope. You should be always positive, not just through your happy times. जब हम खुशी में होते हैं तब हमको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, हमको बहुत विश्वास होता है, हाँ सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. बट जब दुख वाले दिन आते हैं, जब हमारे पे अच्छा समय नहीं चल रहा होता है, तो हमको दुख होता है. तो poetess is saying that be happy, be positive, even in sad times and in tragic times. Give your life a chance to relive your chance before death knocks in. Can you see? Before death knocks in. Now I'll mark the important words in this poem. In the first paragraph, pleasant. In the second paragraph, gloom, transient, lament. Rapidly, merrily in the third paragraph. Gratefully, cheerily. Next paragraph, last line, sway. Next paragraph, unconquered, buoyant. Last paragraph, fearlessly, gloriously, victoriously. Courage and despair. Can you see the number of adverbs we found in this poem? Can we quickly see the number of adverbs we found in this poem? We found rapidly, we found merrily, gratefully, cheerily, manfully, and fearlessly. These are the words that end with ly, even gloriously and victoriously. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ly words. So till the next time we meet, please go through these words. Please go through the poem. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you so much.